In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to build a fixed lamp using our DIY lamp parts and a ceramic piece specifically designed to be a light fixture. Here are the DIY parts you'll need from Color Cord Company: a metal washer, a silicone washer, a 1/8 IPS coupler, a low profile tubing transition, 1/8 IPS tubing at the length of your choice, a 1/8 IPS threaded nut, and a 1/8 IPS all thread, which you will cut in size to your specific needs. You also need an extended thread socket as well as an optional socket cover and thread cover. And lastly, black and white conductor wire cut to your specific length, a plastic barrel cord grip, 2 Wago Lever Nut wire connectors, and a 2-prong power cord whip that will chain to the Wago connectors. I'd like to also note that with our ceramic piece, we glued an eyelet into a hole that was created in the ceramic fixture, but this is a design choice and totally optional. The only tools you'll need today are standard wire strippers and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll strip roughly 3/8 of an inch of both the black and white conductor wire housing to expose the threaded wires underneath. Now grab the socket body and locate the prongs on the inside of the socket. Using this photo for reference, you can see that the black positive wire corresponds with the gold longer prong and the white negative with the silver prong. Once matched up, insert the black and white wires into the proper terminals. Then give them a little tug to ensure that they are locked in place. Next, slide the socket cap over the conductor wires and lock the cap to the socket body. Then grab your tubing and thread on the low profile tubing transition to one side of the tubing. Slide the optional socket cover over the conductor wires to sit flush on the socket cap, and do the same with the tubing and tubing transition and thread that tightly into the top of the socket cap. Then grab the coupler, slide it over the wires, and thread it into the other side of the tubing. Next, we're going to grab the all thread and the threaded nut, which will be inserted through the bottom of our ceramic piece, where a section of it will be exposed through the top of the piece. When you thread the nut onto the all thread, make sure there's enough threading sticking through the top of the ceramic piece so you have room to attach the other DIY lamp parts to fix it in place. Now add your silicone and metal washers to the piece of all thread sticking out the top. And slide the conductor wires on the wired socket through the all thread and thread the coupler onto the all thread. This should secure your tubing and socket to the all thread. Then next, we're going to strip roughly 3/8 of an inch off the other side of the black and white conductor wire housing, exposing the threaded ends underneath. Now grab those 2 Wago clips and insert the exposed ends into each of the 2 clips and secure it in place with the orange lever. If applicable to your specific piece, take the exposed end of your power cord whip and slide it through the hole of your ceramic piece. Grab your barrel cord grip and slide it over the power cord whip and secure the set screw on the cord grip in place at your desired length. This will prevent the power cord from slipping out of your ceramic piece. Then with the open ports on the 2 Wago clips, match the black and white conductor wires accordingly and secure them in place with the orange levers. Your socket and whip conductor wires are now connected. And you're all set. Your finishing touches are up to you. In our case, we used one of our Empire wicker shades to complement this ceramic piece and finished it off with the details of a socket thread cover. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out to us if you have any questions. We're happy to help.